our marriage has been shattered. We spent over the past year trying to go to various counselors, trying to figure things out. With this program, it just gives you from step one to understand yourself, each other, and then try to bring it all together and what those steps look like. And had we not gone through this, we would have been just spinning in circles and possibly just ended up in divorce. And so hopefully this workshop this weekend gives us tools to be able to get this thing back on track and where it should be. And I highly encourage, if you know anybody that is getting married, it's probably a great course to go through just to get that. I wish we would have had it when we first got married, but it wasn't available.
Yes, I appreciate all your guidance. Realize that it is important to work on myself too, maybe first, and then hopefully this works together too, and you've given us great tools to do that. I appreciate Randy's insight and help and guidance through this too. So it's all been great, and we'll use it and go forward and not backward.
Thank you.
Thank you.